shine warm and neat. Blue for sky and ocean deep. Green for grass where bunnies leap. Orange for tigers, bold and bright. Purple for stars that twinkle at night. Little artist paint away. Mix and splash in a colorful way. Shapes and colors side by side. Let your imagination be your guide. A circle sun smiles in the sky. Triangles make kites fly high. Squares for houses, cozy and small. Rectangles make the big blue wall. Hearts for love and stars for dreams. Diamonds sparkle with shiny gleams. Ovals for eggs and bubbles too. Paint the rainbow red to blue. Mix the colors red and blue. See the magic, it turns to new. Purple comes, oh what fun. Let's paint rainbows one by one. Dots and lines and swirly spins. Art begins where fun begins. Paint a cat, paint a tree. Paint a buzzing bumblebee. A boat that sails, a cloud that floats. A castle bright with golden coats. Paint your dreams both big and small. Little artists can paint it all. Little artists paint away. Mix and splash in a colorful way. Shapes and colors side by side. Let your imagination be your guide. Clean your brushes, smile with cheer. We made art we love so dear. Colors, shapes, and hearts so true. Little artist, that's me.